Boys and girls, I know this guy. His name is Ebeneezer Sneezer. It's kind of a weird name, Ebeneezer Sneezer. And he does kind of some weird things. So I want you to echo after me. So I sing and then you sing the same thing and learn about this guy, Ebeneezer Sneezer. Let's sing. Ready? Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows. Yeah, every time he can. Dresses up in paper. Every time it pours. Good. Whistles Yankee Doodle. Every time he snores. And then after me, oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Try that. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Very good. Now, there's some movements that go along with this song here. So let's stand up for Ebeneezer Sneezer. We're going to start at our toes. Can you echo after me? Ebeneezer Sneezer. Good to your knees. Topsy-turvy man. Walks upon his elbows. Good. Every time he can. Good. Dresses up in paper. Every time it pours. Good. Whistles Yankee Doodle. Every time he snores. Good. Then we go backwards. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Can you try that? Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Very good. Let's try the whole thing. No echoing. I want you to sing it and do it with me. At your toes, please. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Very good.